Climate smart technology sizinaduna ising amadi food security promote taunabagi pandamda numit nini chathagadaba international workshop ama Hotel Imphal gi sangai holding asidagi haudokre workshop asi USA gi funding makhada Humphrey Collaborative Alumni Project for South and Southeast Asia na sinduna climate smart technology to promote water and food security in Southeast Asia haiba team da pangthokpane loina na workshop ase Manipur lainga ke planning department gi state level nodal agency for watershed management na host oiri workshop ase haudokpagi thoramda Dr. Mansi Bal Vargavana keynote speaker oina sarukyaduna ising amasung food security promote taunabagi matangda wangangke thoramaduga mari lainana state level nodal agency for integrated watershed management program gi additional CEO Dr. R.K. Sunitana climate change lakpagi matungina South and Southeast Asia da ising amadi food security gi matangda miyamna thengnariba awaba amadi khudong chadba singbu technology gi matengna kokhanbagi pandamda workshop asi pangthokpani haina phongdorake workshop asida Thailand dagi biodiversity conservation scientist Dr. Pets Myanmar gi Asian Center for Biodiversity ki country manager Dr. Onmar Khaing Su Sarukyaduna Mari Lainaba Hiram Singh da wangangane workshop asida Impact News ki editor in chief Yumnam Rupachandra IRAP gi editor Pradeep Fanjobam research scholar Singamadi academician kyana sarukyakhi
Climate change ki chaithang da ishing amasung chaba thakpa akhoi food security da adugi amang ata yaropado kamai tawrakan da koina country mari si ko country mari India Thailand Bangladesh and Myanmar ko seita kari smart technology moi de kram sizinai aduga what can be replicable moi da sizinaba smart technology do akoina Manipur da na taga India da kamai replicate tawraga water and food security si kamaina akoida sustainable way da mayam da manage tawgatagi habe pandam ne ko